Ready to unleash the power of big data analysis right from your own computer? First things first, let's get our Ubuntu system prepared for Hadoop, which starts with ensuring you have Java installed. The bedrock of Hadoop using the terminal. You'll add a repository and then install the Java Development Kit, or JDK, after the JDK is installed. Confirm the Java version. Next, we'll download the latest stable version of Hadoop from the Apache website. Once you have the download, extract the Hadoop archive to a designated location on your Ubuntu machine now. Open a configuration file with administrative privileges to set up Java and Hadoop's environment parameters and define the paths. Now it's time to configure Hadoop meticulously. This includes modifying essential files like HadoopInf, CourseXML, HDFSS, HEXML, and MapRedsATXM. Adjust these files with your specific settings, particularly for the Hadoop NAMA node, data nodes, and the locations for storing data. This ensures that Hadoop can manage, store, and process your data efficiently. Now, format the Hadoop file system and then start the Hadoop services NAMA node, data node, and the resource manager. Once they're powered up, take a peek at the web interface to verify the Hadoop cluster status. Finally, let's test Hadoop functionality. You can do this by creating a directory in HDFS, then putting data into the directory, and verifying the result. With everything set up correctly, you're ready to dive into your data.